Hello everyone, nice to see you. This is Frida.
This is Leah. We are glad to bring our new products again. This time we are going to introduce our new products of MDF blanks for you.
Some of you may be curious that the MDF is a common material that everyone knows in the sublimation market, but why do we still release the new products of it?
As we presented in our previous video of Rainbow Sparkle Mug, LOPO always insists on optimizing materials to provide more competitive products for our customers.
Yes, that's why we need the 4 MDF products with new coating, which is whiter and brighter, will not go yellow no matter how long you would store it.
Yes. Okay, let's see what type of the new updated MDF material we're going to bring here.
First is a phone stand panel. Everyone's life cannot be without mobile phone, especially young people.
And with the launch of iPhone 12, we not only released the phone cases, but also the phone accessories.
The size of them can perfectly hold the largest size of mobile phone. And if you are a fan of iPhone, we also develop a comprehensive phone stand panel for you. You can put your mobile phone, AirPods, and even iWatch on it, as well as some other things like kitchen.
Yes, and as you can see, there are 2 holes on the bottom. You can put your mobile phone on it and collect the charge wire through the hole. That will make your desk more clean and tidy.
And the more important is the combination of the phone stand and the photo panel. With the new coating we adopted, the picture you print will be more clear and durable. When you use it, it's a perfect desktop storage, and when you don't use it, it will be a wonderful decoration for you.
Another new MDF product is the photo panel. We upgrade the coating. As you can see very clearly, this one is more bright and white than the previous one. But the price we can also keep low. Higher quality, more competitive price in the market.
And the thickness has been rising to 50 millimeters, thicker than the used one. Not easy to bend when you're printing.
Yeah, and there are 2 reasons we didn't launch the thickness of 15 millimeters before. First, the quality is not very stable because the coating technology was not mature. Second, the defective rate is so high.
But with the development of technology, all the problems have been solved well. Now we can guarantee the stable quality of our MDF products with low defective rate.
There are 2 most popular sizes of the photo panel, 5 by 7 inches, 8 by 10 inches, and you can hang it up or keep it stand are all available. If you want other sizes, we can also accept customers personalized.
Now let's do the printing. First, the phone stand panel. The printing temperature is 185 and the printing time is 16 seconds. Next is another phone stand panel. The printing temperature is 185 and the printing time is 80 seconds. Finally, the photo panel. The printing temperature is 185 and the printing time is 100 seconds. Let's check the printing effect.
Wow, as you can see, the picture we print are very clear and beautiful.
Yeah, and you can buy some more photo panels together to decorate your home in the way you like. The introduction for our new products is done today. We will also introduce more new products in the future. If you like our sublimation blanks or have interest in our products, you are welcome to contact us. Then you will always be updated with the new products we release.
Yes, if you have any questions or good ideas about sublimation, don't hesitate to contact with us. It's easy to find our contact on our YouTube channel, Facebook, or official website. We are looking forward to share the ideas with all the dye sublimation users all over the world.
That's all of our video today. Hope you enjoy it.
We are LOPO.
We love sublimation.
Join us.
Let's make life memorable. Thank you for your watching, and I'm Frida.
I'm Leah. Bye-bye.
Bye.